Are you doing push-ups every day but still can't get past 20 or 30 in a single set? And maybe you think hitting 50 or even 100 push-ups is impossible? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to teach you a secret push-up training technique that 99% of people don't know. And once you apply it, your push-up performance will completely change. Most people train push-ups the same way, 4 sets of 15 reps. But the truth is, that's why your growth stops. What you need is the push-up ladder method. Step 1. Decline push-ups. Start with the hardest variation, decline push-ups. Go all the way to failure. This will heavily challenge your upper chest and shoulders. Step 2. Normal push-ups. Right after that, move into standard push-ups. Here your chest, shoulders, and triceps will all work together. Step 3. Incline push-ups. The pressure is lighter, but you'll be able to push more reps and fully exhaust your muscles. Step 4. Knee push-ups. Finally, finish with knee push-ups. Even though this feels easy, at the end of the ladder, it will completely burn out your muscles. Do these back-to-back with no rest. That's one full ladder. Just 2 to 3 rounds, 3 days a week is all you need. Stick with it for 2 months, and you'll be able to hit 50+ push-ups in a single set. And if you stay consistent, even 100 push-ups won't be out of reach. This method isn't just about cranking out more reps. It's about transforming your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core like never before. 99% of people will quit after just a few days. But the ones who push through, they build strength they never thought possible. So try it out. And when you see the results, you'll be shocked at what your body can do.